Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious biscuits in your oven. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of very cold unsalted butter, and 3/4 of a cup of cold milk. Also, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure it's ready for baking. Now, let's mix the dough. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Next, cut the 6 tablespoons of very cold butter into small, pea-sized pieces and use your fingertips or a pastry blender to work it into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs. Finally, gradually add the 3/4 of a cup of cold milk, mixing just until a shaggy dough forms. With your dough ready, it's time to shape your biscuits. Turn the shaggy dough onto a lightly floured surface. Gently pat it down to about 1 inch in thickness. Using a 2-inch biscuit cutter, press straight down without twisting to create about 8 to 10 uniform biscuits. Place them onto an ungreased baking sheet, leaving a small space between each one. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your homemade biscuits. Place the baking sheet into your preheated 425 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the tops are golden brown and the internal temperature reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve these warm, fluffy delights immediately with your favorite toppings like butter, jam, or savory gravy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.